Hi, Vasco Ispirian from Garnish Music Production School. Today I'm going to show you a creative way to use arpeggiators in live. Starting with a simple chord progression, we are going to add an arpeggiator. After this, we are going to add a second arpeggiator, which is going to arpeggiate the notes from the first arpeggiator. Yeah, I know, it sounds weird. Live's arpeggiator effect takes the individual MIDI notes from a held chord, or single note, and plays them as a rhythmical pattern. The sequence and speed of the pattern can be controlled by the device, which also provides a full complement of both classic and original arpeggiator features. Another third arpeggiator can be added. Very unique and original results can be achieved in this way. Some modulation to the last arpeggiator rate value, which is on free mode, can add a very dramatic effect. Let's do it with the LFO from Max for Live. I've shown you this technique with a classic piano sound. Let's try with something different. If we want to see the results, we can create a new MIDI channel. Set the incoming messages from the arpeggiator channel, press record. I hope you like it. See you in the next one.